Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Sonny, and that's my friend Jay.
What's up?
Yeah, we're some bike guys. Mine is a 2003 Suzuki Gsxr 1000. There you go. It's a little rough. I'm just starting this YouTube channel. I'll be talking about bikes, cars. That's my car right there, 2007 525 Xi. As you can see, we're bike guys, car guys. We are both medical students, so yeah, there's some brains in there. And there is no editing or anything, so if you don't like foul language or anything like that, please go to a different channel. This is real stuff. Regular guys doing regular stuff. This is my friend's 2016 Yamaha R1. That is the original color of the bike. These are aftermarket black fairings that we got from eBay. That's his eBay exhaust right there. His bike has a Power Commander installed on it. Power Commander 5 actually, with an off-the-shelf tune from the Donajet website. My bike has a Power Commander 3 USB with an off-the-shelf map on it. His has an Akrapovic half system map on it. Mine has a Yoshimura half system map on it. We're pretty happy about this. I mean, you can get them down tuned, whatever you like, but it's not going to make that much difference. 4 or 5 horses. The biggest thing is the rider's skill that makes a difference. So today what we're going to do is we're going to adjust the chain slack on his bike and my bike. And here is the Venom rear motorcycle stand that I have. I actually have a kit where I can get the front triple clamp stand and the rear stand for $100 from Venom. It's on eBay. I'll post the link. And we're gonna get started on this. Here you go, Jay. Hold this. We're gonna show you. Okay. Since his bike doesn't have any spools, I'm gonna take off my spools and put it on his bike after I'm done. So let me start with my bike first. Jay's spools are in the mail. They should be coming any time. But he noticed a little slippage in chain last night. So what you do is, when your bike is on a stand and leaning to the left, you just position your stand in one of the loops on the left side, and then when you bring it up slowly, you position on the right loop. And once it's in, then you just push down. Make sure your steering wheel is straight. There you go. Not steering wheel, my bad. Your handlebars are straight. That's a bike on a rear bike stand with spools on it. Make sure the bike is not in gear. It's in neutral. And now what I'm going to do is, on this bike actually, I have a cotter pin which I'm going to take off first. I'm going to come in here to show them the cotter pin. That's the cotter pin right there. Cotter pin is out. Next thing you do, this is a 36mm socket for my bike for the axle nut. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So normally you would go like this, but what that would do is that will pick the bike up, so you face the opposite way. So now your force is going down, so the bike is not going to come off the stand. Be careful about that. Okay. There you go, another lesson. I'm going to get my torque wrench, which is much stronger. Okay. Yeah, I'm a weakling. I'm not buff like this guy over here. I'm like level 1. He's like level 7 right now. Give me a second. Let me get the torque wrench out of the garage, yeah? Yo, was it even recording?